Is toch gyfeillisach ach, is still omse uske. Is fyr hil omse uske. Sio, uske J an in Siorrachd Obar Dheathain. The River Dee in Aberdeenshire. Siorrachd Obar Dheathain. Agus see in coic of avin isache on in Alba. It's the 5th longest river in Scotland. Sin unriti onsi chuin ju.
Nisje, chaneel mi dal lemestiach in draaste. Gejerve chaneel. A jonsach raamse kutjach. I dal yechen root nach de yech mi ria vroye. I'm going to try something that I've never done before. Nach de yech mi ria vroye.
Ha mi fask biawncheri, no bankeri, gaifsen ag Gaelic, biawncheri. Saun as een skiede show a hanik een fieler animal, Seamus Scott Skinner. A chaneel mi dolle jonsrug na file, get a ha kjol en loib ignoich. I'm not going to learn the fiddle, but there is music involved. En loib ignoich.
Ha mi dal yechen danse nin clock. Literally, the dance of the bells. Danse nin clock. Maar as triche, be een danse sho yenef an een Siorrachd Obar Dheathain. English Shires, Siorrachd Obar Dheathain. Vil bergakket, dansen nin clock. Eile, ach, Morris dancing. Dansen nin clock. Simply.
Van a hochketen has skippe ieski and shaw ervili danse nen clock. Since the 80s, an energetic Morris dance group has been meeting here. She danse la failure haunen danse nen clock. A festival day dance. Danse la failure. Agus ha danse aun sin gach rai gin vliene. There are dances for each season. Gach rai. For the end of winter, the warmth of summer, and thankfulness at harvest time. Ha Stuart Whale via danse sin kerrit bliene.
I wouldn't usually associate Morris dancing with Scotland. Am I wrong? Is there a history of it here?
Lowland Scotland, yes. It's been here since, 1470 we know of the first record where Morris dancers dancing for the King James in Stirling Castle. So he employed them to merry-make.
What do we know about the origins of Morris dancing?
Well, in the early Middle Ages, there was a revival of folk, or there was folk tradition developed across Europe. In Britain, it was called Morris dancing. Over the years, it would be handed, in those days, father to son. Nowadays, of course, it's been written down and we can look up a dance and dance whatever we want.
It does look like a lot of fun, I have to say. Is it something that anyone can do?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, there are people with 2 left feet, but we live with that.
Can I give it a go?
You can have a go. Certainly can, no problem whatsoever.
So we're turning out.
Okay. So your first one will be a step back to Stuart.
Ha da hjorse je gaunse nen clock on. Fien halte, le neprekeren gen krachig, gentle dances with hanky waving, agus fien eich for a viller boerlig virang. And more aggressive dances. Sma nach bishin a tachirste Calum. Ha strip the willow kunnerstoch geliaar mar a hae. Ha misje vi a gionsrug danse vil skirmish. I mean dochus nach mi bidan mun vus.
Well, han dance shaw a saulachuch sapach. This dance represents fighting. Hai a saulachuch sapach.
Here we go! To me! Here you go. You did very well for a first go. That was.
Thank you very much.
9 out of 10.
9 I'll take that, yeah. Hort shit room gemoor. Agus, brian vi a giontachuch. Shar, drochhaashachuch na, guntaashachuch itcher. Agus, hashin cha frickerach. Jo haashachuch ach, well, ha peas has to be called. Yes, there's definitely a way to go still. A peas has to be called.